Here we have Perry Mark in his natural habitat, filling the radiator.
Ignore him and he'll go away. Ignore him, he'll go away.
No.
Tell me all about the joys of building a race car.
When they're finished. Building race cars are great until you have little dramas, but that's why we build them, because if they were easy, anyone could do it. That's boring. It's a runner, it's a goer. We've just given it a really good heat cycle, as you can see by the steam coming out of the coolant just there. We've just found that the fan's not kicking in, so it's a quick adjustment there, and we'll have that up and running. But otherwise, yeah, look, it's really good. It's running, it sounds sweet. Everything is pretty well there. We've slipped a VCM 710 cam package into it. Got Adam over at MPW just to quickly throw a bass tune into that so we could start the car and have it doing what it needs to pretty well straight away. Little things like that, having all the vats removed, just makes this sort of build a lot easier and quicker. Now that it's like this, we could drive it once we get the exhaust done. Yeah, and it's just makes it a whole lot easier. The extractors, we had all those done in-house. Gav, that works for us here. He's been dealing with exhaust for years. So we got all the mandrels and all the bends and all the collectors and the joiners straight out of Pacemaker, which made our life easier. And then just set Gav to work, and he cut it all up and tigged everything together for us. Done a bloody really good job, actually. Next, we have obviously just a few little ancillaries. We're just going to fit the shifter cover, the dash top, the grille, bonnet, and just go through it front to back. It goes out to the engineers end of next week, so he can start doing the torsional rigidity and doing the application to the South Australian government, the engineering side. When we get it back from him, it's straight out to have the rest of the exhaust done. And then a week after that, it's the driving tests for the lane change and brake fade. And then after that, it's literally just an inspection with the Regency Park government here. And hopefully then it's actually an engineered, legit, registered driver, which would be cool. Pretty first of its kind, possibly, here in Adelaide, a proper, legit, street reg LS1 powered Sigma. Obviously off the back of this, before we finished the car, we did jigs for engine mounts, transmission cross member, for the 4L60, T400, Turbo 350 and Power Glide. So over the next 2-3 weeks, they'll all be available, coming online and ready for purchase. We've got, I think, half a dozen people already after kits for them, so that'll be yeah, really good. It'll help a lot of other people, which is excellent.
What's that? Might need a couple of mufflers. What?